Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you some stunning facts about planet Earth. Because today is very special day, that is International Earth Day, which is celebrated on 22nd April every year. So before I tell you the facts about the Earth, you must know the purpose of celebrating it. And as a citizen, what are our responsibilities towards Mother Earth? Firstly, do like the video and subscribe the channel. So, let's start. The purpose of the Earth Day. Earth Day aims to build the world's largest environmental movement to drive transformative change for the people and the planet. What are our responsibilities? First, following the 3 R's rule, that is reduce, recycle and reuse. And second, plantation of more and more trees to protect the greenery. Third, approach towards sustainable development means development without damaging the environment. Fourth, maintaining proper sanitation and cleanliness. And fifth one is save water, save electricity. So, these were the basic responsibilities that we must ensure to take it. So, let's start with the amazing facts. Fact number 1. The Rio Earth Summit 1992. The United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, also known as the Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit or the Rio Summit, and the Rio Conference and the Earth Summit, was a major United Nations conference held in Rio de Janeiro, with the purpose of the conference was to rethink the economic growth, advance social equity and ensure environmental protection. Fact number 2. Earth used to be purple. At least that's one scientific theory based on the idea that ancient microbes may have relied on a molecule called retinal rather than chlorophyll to absorb the sun's rays. Retinal, which can be found in organisms such as halobacteria, absorbs green light and reflects back red and violet light, creating a purple color. Fact number 3. There are parts of Earth with less gravity than the others. Because of the uneven shape of the globe, the planet's gravity is unevenly distributed. 2. So some parts of the planet have been found to have lower or higher levels of the gravity than others. Canada's Hudson Bay, for example, was found to have lower gravity due to a massive ice sheet. Fact number 4. A magnitude 12 earthquake would split the Earth in the half. We have never seen anything larger than 9.5, and it was longer than the state of California. It would be theoretically impossible to have a magnitude 13 earthquake since it would require a fault bigger than the Earth. Fact number 5. The planet Earth is so old that you can't even imagine. However, the theories and laws have suggested that Earth is around 4.5 billion years old. So, most of you are familiar with the fact that the only planet in the solar system which supports life is the planet Earth. According to the Big Bang theory given by the father of Big Bang, George Lemaitre, the expansion of the observable universe began with the explosion of a single particle at a different point in time. Fact number 6. The Earth once had 2 moons. That's the theory, at least, put forward by a computer model that attempted to figure why the side of the moon that faces Earth is relatively low and flat and the one that faces away has a much thicker crust. The model suggested that there was once a companion moon that collided with the far side of our current moon. So friends, these were the collections of several facts about Earth that seemed much amazing. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and got lots of information. So that's it for today. Goodbye.